helping my friend Steve install a new setup there. He invented this new cool little software that allows you to skip over the Joe Obama live stream, so it's just Netflix. Anyway, it's cool stuff. It's cool stuff. Where are we now? We're at I can't pronounce this one. Is it Vaquero Way? And Walnuts. And there's Ravenwood too. We're in front of a school, Irvine. It says no school right now. Spring semester begins Wednesday, 1/19, whatever that means. It's hard when you haven't memorized your multiplication yet and you don't understand how to read dates. That's why we have Google to help people like me with disabilities understand.
Likey